Over the past 60 years, AMSCO Windows has grown to become one of the leading providers of high-quality building products. Headquartered in Salt Lake City, Utah, AMSCO takes great pride in manufacturing all of its products in the United States. AMSCO manufactures all of its window and door products in-house, with its most popular series of windows being the Artisan, Serenity, Studio, and Vista series of windows. AMSCO windows are available primarily in vinyl. AMSCO offers windows in the following styles: awning, casement, slider, double hung, picture, and specialty-shaped windows. The company offers a limited lifetime warranty across its replacement windows product portfolio. AMSCO Windows Reviews maintain an average score of 86% across several online review sites. This equates to a 4.3 out of 5-star rating on average, which is very good. In addition, the company currently maintains an A+ BBB rating on limited reviews. Recent customers have most cited excellent service and great pricing as the primary reasons for choosing AMSCO Windows for their window replacement project. From a pricing perspective, AMSCO Windows has a reputation of being pretty good quality windows at a very affordable price point. In comparison to its main competitors, AMSCO window prices would rank below the median price for average replacement windows, making them an attractive value option. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.